Hi YouTube, this is a YouTube video on how to make a Bukkit server without using Xincgc or Xmx1G or something like that. Okay, so what you're going to need to do first is create a new folder. So just create a new folder, right click, new folder on the desktop, and what I want you to do is open up your internet browser, go to Google and type in Bukkit. Now, this should come up at the top and then now the servers are down, but you can still download it. So just download it, and it should be a jar. And then once you've downloaded that, go to my computer, downloads, and it should be located in there unless you've changed the settings. Alright, then you're gonna have to drag and drop that jar into your new folder. Okay, now open the folder and then open the craft Bukkit folder, and all these should pop up with the new world and everything. But to stop in the future saying it's there's a server already running on your port, what you need to do is go on to Start, Task Manager, Processes, and you see the java.exe end process, and then that should get rid of that running. Okay. Alright, next you need to find your IP. So type in CMD on your search bar and click enter. And this should pop up, and then you go on IP config, and then this should come up. If you've got Xincgc, it'll be a little way up. It should say Xincgc, but just keep going up until you see 192 point something something something. Okay, and now you got that. Now we're gonna have to port forward your port for this server, and then we will show you how to make. I will show you how to make it. So you go on internet browser, and then type in 192.168.0.1. Not the IP, the bottom one. You type into your browser, and then you click enter. And I'm using Sky, but otherwise it should be admin and then admin, or admin and then your web internet. So mine is admin and then Sky. Alright, next you go on. So it should be under security, but it might be different for your internet. So then you go on services. And what you have to do is add a custom UCP, and then just type in the port 25565, and then do it on both of these as well, 25565 and then 25565. But I won't do it because I've already got it. And then you go to file. You go back and then you go to firewall rules. One second. Alright, then you go and you scroll down and click edit. Oh, no. Click add, sorry. And you scroll down to find your 25565. And then you click allow. And then on this, all you have to type in is your IP that we found, which is there, the 12, not the 12, or it might be like it could be lower than that. You type that into here and then click apply, and then click apply, and then that should be your port forwarded. Okay, and then you go to then you go to internet. What's my IP? Just search it into any search bar, and you should come up with that, something like that, and then you keep that. That's what people are going to join. So what you do, you server properties. You don't put any IP. That's what people make a mistake on. You don't need to put any IP onto that. And then you file save, and then Oh, I forgot to do the back. Alright. Then you're gonna have to create a new document. New folder. You have to no, not new folder. You need to create a new text. New text. And what you do, you put run there. Okay. Now open that. I'll put this in the link to the bottom, and this should work for everyone. This is on my. Oh, let me just open it. And then open. Right, that's what you need to put in there. Crap. Oops. Don't save. There you go. Copy. Paste. I'll put this in the link. Not in the link, in the description at the bottom. At the bottom. Alright, then you click file save. And then rename it to .bat. Yes. And then run it. And then all this should pop up. It's creating a new feed and everything. Okay, so what people are going to join is, we found that IP earlier. Say, what's my IP? I can't remember it. Your IP is that. Right, copy. Alright, so you copy that, and then you go. We'll say if you're making a new text document, so you can just tell people quick. This is what people are going to join to your server, is that your IP semicolon 25565. That's what they're going to join, and it should go straight to their server. So now that's done, we'll test the server. By the way, even if it's hosting on your computer and it doesn't work, then you won't join, even if it's on the same computer. Let's see, 2.123.157.242 semicolon 25565, and I can join. And that's without putting any IP there. See? And that's how you set up a Bukkit server without using Xincgc.